Hey, it's Patti Allred here. I want to let you know that one of the very first things that you seriously need to do to help you make money with your business, whether it's online or not, is to get organized. Now, can you make money being unorganized? Absolutely. I did it for years, and let me tell you, it's way better making money while you are organized. The more flip-flopping around that you do and snapping at everybody that comes in the room, I know you never do that, but I have been known to time and time again to do that, and it basically comes down to the fact that I just was trying to get things done and didn't really know what the heck I needed to be doing or didn't have it in order. So I want to help you get organized so you'll know what you need to be doing daily. It will really help us to be nicer and enjoy life a lot more. Can I get a witness? So I made money for years, and I had all intentions of getting organized. Getting that right DMO, that daily method of operations, that perfect checklist, the perfect calendar with all of the little things and the dings to remind me of what I needed to do. Do you get me? You see what I'm saying? Well, let me tell you that it's way better to start off the right way. But don't think that if you have been doing this for months or even years that it's too late, because it's not. It is time to make your life easier with getting your to-do list in order and implement it right away. And that's what I'm going to help you do. This will take a few days to actually get things going in a flow that works best for you. So don't think that it will magically happen overnight just because you want it to. Over the next few trainings or the next few days, actually, I'm going to show you how you can get organized and stop pulling your hair out every day trying to fit in everything that you need to do to make your business a success. Before I start with my training, I want to just let you know who I am. I do train differently than most people. It's just how I roll. You can say that I am a down-to-earth coach, trainer, teacher, whatever name you want to call it. I am me. I am a 56-year-old woman who does not have all the answers. I do not know all the right ways to do things, but I have been making money from home for over 30 years and online for over the past 20 years. So I do know a few things that can help you, because if I've done it, I did it wrong first. So I want to teach you how not to do that. I can tell you that I will not have all these touched up photos. I will not have these videos that will make you go, oh dang, how'd she do that? But I can promise you that I'll be real with you, and I will do my very best to help you understand what I'm teaching. I will not be dressed up. I will not be in fancy clothes. I will not be in a fancy car. And I won't even have makeup on, because that's how I roll. Now, I usually do have my nails did. That's because my daughter does nails, and she keeps me in check there. But you will find me most every day in jeans and a sweater, sweatshirt, t-shirt, and my hair pulled back in a scrunchie, because that's how I roll. And you know what? It's okay. Also, I usually wear a lot of purple because purple makes me happy, and it's the little things that count, right? Let's see. I will not always have the correct grammar. Although my kids say I am a grammar police, but with all fairness, you really don't end a sentence in a preposition, right? I want us to have some fun, but we're going to get uncomfortable until we get the perfect plan for your daily method of operation. Because my goal is for you to make money, to have fun, and enjoy life. Sound good?